Alright, so this is the sclera, this white part around the edge. And then we have the cornea, which is like the membrane over this whole part. So it's transparent, it's kind of rigid. Then we have the iris, which is surrounds the pupil. And then the pupil's in the middle, so it's like the black region in the middle. And then when you cut this open, like top to bottom, and you split the halves, you get these two. So here we have the lens, which stayed with like the front half of the eyeball. This is the lens when you take it out, so it's just a little rigid ball. Then we have the retina, which is kind of this white stuff along the edge. Then we have the optic disc, which on the back half of the eyeball is this little part where a lot of the lines come together. And then we have the choroid layer, which is, it's this black membrane at the back. So that really black region, all that black stuff is the choroid layer.